guys, I'm very proud. Accidental Rebel, it's now out. It's my autobiography, that of 61 years, from the hilly streets in the north side of Cork City to the top of the world, down to Antarctica, crossing Greenland, and over 150 high adventures, living with over 32 tribes of people all around the world. It's action-packed. I hope you enjoy it. It will describe everything, all the minutiae, what it takes, to be in minus 60 degrees Celsius in Antarctica, to be walking along the death zone where over 30 climbers that I've climbed with are dead, to eating over 9,600 calories a day. Can you imagine that? In relation to getting to the Antarctic, it's equivalent to 23 megajoules or 2 marathons a day for 60 days, 120 consecutive marathons. Everything on my life is in here, from the good times, the bad times, from being in business to that of now today, where I announced that I'm officially retiring from extreme adventure, and you'll also find out, by the way, what's next. I started with the prom with my grandmother, with my first business, selling second-hand clothes in the Cold Quay in Cork City, and now the prom is back. Well, the significance of the prom is that when I was 6 years of age, I started my first business, and I used to go down the hilly streets of Cork City to the council houses where I lived and collect second-hand clothes, then bring them to the Cold Quay, and we sell the second-hand clothes, and basically that was my first business.
Thank you, Pat. Delighted to be here this morning, one of our most famous Irish explorers, and I'll enjoy reading your book, and it'll shorten the winter for me, and I'll be able to read up on your many expeditions and your experiences, and I wish you well. And